Hi everyone and welcome back to Llovet Design channel. In this video presentation related to our kitchen renovation projects in Toronto, Canada, we're going to talk about our second part of the video, which is related to everything to do with our design work, our mood board and inspirational pictures that we selected for our clients' needs and requests. So let's get started, and first with our intro. Welcome back. The way that Design Studio works is distributed in three different phases. The first phase is the distribution. The distribution consists in create in 3D programming using different programs as AutoCAD, as the SketchUp, Revit, Illustrated, Photoshop, or Revit, the 3D elevation and floor plan of the area to start our project accordingly. The second phase of our work is the design. The design includes the materials that we're going to select, the color palette more suitable according to our client's request, also the furniture layout that it will incorporate more space and more brightness to our space, and the overall design, including proportions, including textures, including the scale. On the third part, it will be the lighting. Lighting, as everybody knows, the lighting is the crucial element into interior design to create a special space with the light. So therefore, according to this distribution, this is the way that we work. Next step, we elaborated a mood board where we include all the materials that we would include into our projects, like marble, wall tiles, quartz, realistic marble look for our countertop, the MDF or plywood cabinets, kitchen doors, the laminated flooring for our floor, hardwood laminated flooring, and the built-in for the microwave, all the plants and components of decoration that we want to introduce in our area to create the inspirational pictures that, after discussing with our client and presented to him different options and photos from nature, from landscape, he completely fell in love with these white sand dunes in the New Mexican National Park desert. So after he chose this white sand dunes desert, we opt for creating a kitchen very white, very clean, like the white desert, and also with those touch of natural components for the material. That's why we select as well the same wall marble countertop that the wall marble on the wall. So everything was looking like infinity, clear and white. These two colors, it was white and gray, and we were keeping as well the same kind of color for the laminated hardwood floor. So we choose the oak light gray as well for the floor. In that case, they will match as well all the tiles, the countertop and the cabinets. Together also with the pendant lights that we choose for the island, and all the furniture that we selected, it was white leather. So like this, we create all these spacious, elegant, tidy and clean, and the natural light coming in from the balcony, it could really amplifies all this kitchen overall. So if you liked this second part of our video, please thumbs up, follow us for the next time, or subscribe, and see you next time on the third part. Thank you for watching.